Okay, hello everyone. My name is Manuela Mendez. Uh, I apologize because I am very sick and my voice is terrible and my face is bad. Okay, this video talk about how the qualitative methodology in this article is determined. The article is the influence of e-portafolio toward the process and the quality uh, to students. Translation, excuse me. Okay, the this video, the subject is a bit extensive, uh, but we will talk about the most important of the article. Uh, okay, the first is abstract. Is the This study is aimed at gaining an understanding of the influence of e-portfolio on the process and quality of translation. Acceptability, accuracy, and readability of students and how e-portfolio affects the process and quality to student translation. Okay, the method used in this relation is sequential explanatory design and the method qualitative. Okay, it's important the qualitative data are gained from questionnaire and interview. After analysis is found that e-portfolio influence the student's translation evaluate where the value is seen. Okay. The important in the translation is a process of the chain of the Google the text from the source language into the third language. According to the functionalist approach, translation an act of communication in which the process of analyzing the source text should be consistent of analyzing both the extratextual and intratextual factor of the text. Okay, in the process, the assessment should not only focus on the end product but also on the process. It should cover the student learning outcome as well as the process to gain complete description of their competence. Okay, this article talk about the translation classroom and the use the portfolio. Okay, is the important the subject of the study. Excuse me. The purpose of this research is to gain on understand the effects of a portfolio on the process and quality of translation. Uh, this research is expected to provide benefits both theoretically and practically, and the theoretically is expected to be able to develop theories of translation, focus on translation teaching specifically on the influence of e-portfolio on the student process and qualities of translation. Uh, okay, the components, all components of the process and learning outcomes are ones to describe the authentic evaluate of learns. Method. Uh, this method mix is used in this region to get better understand about the problem. Okay. Okay. On of major types of the method, the sequential explanatory design is done in this region by collecting and analyzing the quantitative data taken from the pre-test and post-test results, the following by collection and analyzing the qualitative data, which are the questionnaire and interview results. The, the purpose of method is to use qualitative approach to explain quantitative result. Uh, okay. The subject of this study are this year the non-English education department at Yunsinka, Indonesia, who took translation practice course to get the quantitative data, the grade used on group pretest, post-test, the thing. Okay, the following is the illustration of the design. Okay, is the explanation pretest and post-test. They evolved to translation in Indonesian language test into English. Okay, as you can, the as you can see this report, one moment, show in different tables and graph of the data collected. The different results of the previous and sequence tests and their capacity to the use e-portafolio. The tables or graph. One moment. I lost the graphers. Okay. The analysis the results, the post-test and pre-test. Okay, acá. The influence of e-portfolio toward student translation work. And the statistics descriptions of the pre and post-test. Table 1 and table 2. Okay, in conclusion, the translation qualitative is the the grapher 3 scored unacceptably the post-test and pre-test. Okay. In conclusion, the article talk about the different methods with the investigate the effects of e-portfolio use on quality of students and the process in translation into text into English. The result of the research show that the use of e-portfolio to affect the process of the student translation. Okay, this study shows that the use of portfolio is appropriate to be used in translation courses which learning skill involve a series of processes that need to be scrutinized at every stage. Okay, and the use of other experimental research methods that have higher level of validity can be used for further research. As mentioned previous, this study does not use control class. Okay, the process and quality of translation is the research may be carried out to investigate the effect of the two methods on the process and quality of translation. Thank you very much. Goodbye.